Happy Saturday, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and for the next 6 to 8 minutes, I'll be a spokesman from theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, let's take a look at 6 must-have utility apps for Android TV and Android media devices. Let's get to it. Okay guys, let's jump right into the video. If this is your first time to maybe the YouTube channel called The Stream Machines, thank you guys for being here as we go into this video about the 6 top utility apps for Android TV and Android media devices. After this video or during it, if you could do me a favor and give me a thumbs up and saying you like this video, it really helps me with the algorithm of YouTube as I strive to build this channel organically. Subscribe to the channel and share the video. Really appreciate it. So let's start this Saturday off with why do you need utility apps? If you're going to be streaming all the time like a lot of my customers or a lot of our customers, or if you're new to streaming, you want to make sure that you're not protecting your devices or your device because you paid money for it. Without utility apps, I'm pretty sure these applications are the foundation of keeping your media devices, Android media devices, clean, running smooth, and moving forward. So let's take a look at some of these utility apps and what I would recommend. And we're going to go right onto the bottom of my device here. So the first utility app that I want to point out that you're going to need is what I call a task killer. So a task killer kills all the processes and tasks that run in the background. So Fast Task Killer is a very simple application that clears all the processes in the back and creates space for your media device. You can find this in different stores, but I got it out of the Aptoide TV store right here. Let me show you what I mean. So if I click on Fast Task Killer, it's just going to pop up and give you that right there. What it just did, the product, service, the external storage, I'll do it again. It clears all these things that are running in the background. And it's just that quick and creates space within your device. So everything usually runs a lot smoother. So having a Fast Task Killer or a task killer is pretty paramount. The second thing that I want to point out is an ad blocker. On this device, this is what I use called AdBlock. It is a paid ad blocker. I think you can get a great deal. I'll find their website and put it in the disclaimer. I mean, not the disclaimer, but I'll put it in the description of the video. They also have free ad blockers, so you could go to Google Play Store and find a lot of them. But having an ad blocker is something that is really helpful, and I'll explain. So if I go over to AdBlock, it should open up, and it'll give you this is how many ad requests this device, since I've owned it, has blocked. 52,429. It saved 869.13 megabits of saved traffic. Very simple to use. You have different settings you can set it up on it, but this tells the story at the top left. 52,429 ads blocked. So because you're on the internet, these things are very, very important. So I would go to AdBlock, or I think you can look them up on the internet. I'll try to remember to put it in the description, or you can search on YouTube or other places where you can get some free ad blockers, but that's a good one to have. The third one I'm going to point out to you is a file commander or a file manager. My device came with one called Media Browser, but because I'm a different type of streamer, usually there's one on your device by default. But TV File Commander is a great one. They have Explore. As you can see, I got my internal storage here, and then I got my drive. It shows everything on all of these drives, so I can manage the apps, the images, and everything. Having a file manager just helps you, install applications, uninstall applications, even transfer things from your PC if you want to get Gucci with it. Either way, a good file manager is excellent, and TV File Commander is good. They also have some in the Google Play Store that you can look at. So we've gone through 3 so far. First it's Fast Task Killer, and then AdBlock, and then we had TV File Commander. The next one that you're going to want on your list, okay, is definitely an internet speed test. There's different internet speed tests. This one I got out of the Google Play Store. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you don't know your speed, you don't know what you're working with, so you're kind of flying blind. An internet speed test is the first foundation to really test for buffering, or stuttering that some people call it. It's actually called buffering. This is a great way for you to test your speed. Now, the majority of customers or people or streamers usually go Wi-Fi, over-the-air connection with their internet. Our suggestion is the best way to stop buffering or anything like that, if you can, is to do a direct connect from the router of your choice or modem router combo to the back of your media device, to the back of your Android TV. This eliminates the competition for other wireless connections within your home. So a good speed test is a great way to start, a great way to keep things going. All right. The next thing that you're going to want to have is what I call a side loader. Okay. So we have the Fast Task Killer, we had AdBlock, okay, and then we had the File Commander, and then we had the Internet Speed Test. The next thing that you should have is Downloader. Now you can find Downloader in the Google Play Store. I think that is probably the best way to get it. If you're on a Fire Stick, there's plenty of videos showing you how to install Downloader, which is already on the Fire Stick, where you can get this side loader. This side loader also is a browser. If you go here, people don't really know that it is a browser, or forget, they just use it just to side load applications that they like, free applications. But it is also a browser that it can give you some great information. You can browse the internet on it. It's showing you here where they're saying that Freevee is finally going away. It's been around for a long time. Freevee is part of Amazon Prime. So the point I'm making is having a side load application that mocks up as a browser is a good thing, and Downloader is used millions of times throughout the year. That's because it works pretty much each and every time. The last utility app that I'm going to recommend that you have is a VPN. Now, there are tons and tons of VPNs. Mine is called VPN.io. Some people Troy Point talks Surfshark because he makes a ton of money off Surfshark. When you click on it, ain't hating on it. A lot of people have IPVanish. Most people don't know about VPN.io. It's very simple to use. I've used Proton VPN. I use Windscribe VPN. In other words, a virtual private network is needed, not wanted in 2025. I think it's probably the most needed one utility application other than the Task Cleaner. So go on the internet, find a good person you trust, or look them up. There are plenty over the internet or on YouTube where you can get started, or you can click our link and get VPN.io for $50 for a year for 5 devices. And that'll close out and finish today's video. So I appreciate it as we've gone to the 6 must-have utility apps for Android TVs and Android devices. Hey guys, stay tuned. In the next video, we have a free giveaway that we're starting to celebrate Independence Day. We'll be giving a free Z11 Pro Max at the end of July. I will put a link in the next video on how you can sign up for that free giveaway. Until then, check the description for different options, different media devices that are really not expensive, but create a great value. We appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.